Good morning, I am Dr. Bert Oliver. My topic for today is Who's Got My Money by Grant Cardone. This is so simple. It is amazing and it's genius once you understand it. Simply ask yourself, who's got my money? Make a list of who has your money, the money you want, and figure out what you can exchange with them. Whether you have a service, a product, or an idea. The question to ask yourself is always, who got my money? You don't need to make money. You need to connect with those who have already collected money, who have money. Exchange what you have, skills and knowledge, with what they have, money. Start investing most of it, if not all of your time, with those people on your list. Get your millionaire mentality wrapped around this idea and spend every working hours and all your energy on serving those who need what you have. At the age of 25, when I started my first company, I spent all of my time getting in front of people who could buy my product and spent almost no time with who could not or who would not. Be nice to everyone, but remember, we are here to meet people who have our money. This must be your foremost focus. This is just the hard-core simple fact of building wealth. Follow the money, as they say. If you spend all your time with people who cannot pay, you will end up being someone who cannot pay. Who's got my money is one of the most powerful concepts in the creation of wealth. That being said, the more people you can help, the more money you will have. If you want to make $1 billion, simply help 1 billion people. The people who need the most in this planet don't have much money. Figure out a way to help 1 billion people, and you will likely end up way more than $1 billion. And you will end up with more than money. You will end up with true wealth, friend, support, love, legacy, and worldwide admiration. But let's be clear. You are not going to help 1 billion people without having money or finding someone who does. You are not going to become rich from your garage or your living room. It does not happen. Every one of those garage billionaires got rich when they finally left the garage to sell their ideas, invention, or product. On my way from being broke to banking my first $5 million, all I focused was, who got my money? I was traveling 300 days a year for over 6 years, knocking on doors or prospective buyer to buy my business idea. I provided a service and they exchanged their money with me. I did thousands of pre-meetings around the US and Canada, traveling at my own expense to make myself known and find opportunity to get in front of qualified buyers in hope I could save money to sell my product and increase my income. Billionaire Mike Cuban said, "The most important thing you must have about any business is sales. Sales made simple. Who got my money?" Once you commit to asking this question, you will learn how to master sales. For now, make a list of ways qualified and make yourself known to them. If you have a money shortage, it is because you're investing your time with the wrong people. There is no shortage of money in this planet. Time invested in who's got my money will always result in money. God bless your family. Amen.